Hey, this is Josh at 12 Watt Outfitters, and today we're going to be talking about this 2013 Nissan Altima. The client gave us a shout because they had a new radio installed. They actually had it installed twice, and the radio hasn't worked correctly, and the backup camera doesn't work correctly on the radio. So after talking to the client, we decided it would be best to install a brand name radio, a Kenwood, along with a new backup camera. So in this video, you're going to see us install a new radio and a backup camera. So the first thing we got to do is we got to get that old backup camera out of there. We got to take part of the trunk apart, and we got to go ahead and take the camera off, which is held in by some bolts. After we go ahead and remove that camera, we're going to go ahead and install the new camera. So first we used some VHB tape, but then we did screw it down. The video is not here, but we did screw it down. Next, we hopped up into the cab, went and opened up our Maestro HRNI harness. And this harness is for Nissan vehicles, so that we can install the stereo without having to splice in any wires. As you can see, the wiring is done, and now the radio is installed. So this radio is a Kenwood DMX 709S. It does support vehicle information on screen. We also wired it so the client can see the backup camera anytime they're driving, as well as when they're in reverse. So this was a really great job. We enjoyed working with this client, and we hope they like it.